ladies and gentlemen, I know I went MIA. I know it's been months since my last video. And I'll get into that towards the end of the video. But today is the day. The car is finally here. I'm gonna go pick it up. Gonna do all the paperwork and everything, get everything settled. The car is finally here. So I'm gonna go to the dealership, you know, do all the paperwork. You can walk around to the car, turn it on. I'm gonna do everything. I have those JDM side markers, so I'm gonna go ahead and install those too, because why not? So this has been a long time coming, 5 months of waiting. So yeah, I have the car with me right here. Oh my God, it looks so good. It looks so good. Oh my God. Look at this. Look at this. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Wheels, nice. Yeah. I'm not doing it. What a smart idea. What a smart idea. Go for it, Paul. Yeah, because I'm recording.
Oh my gosh.
You have the honors.
God.
Damn.
Wow, that's a shiny engine.
It is shiny. So this is shiny as your head.
Oh my God. Dude, really freaking
Just wire damage,
right?
Rodent damage everywhere. Make sure you change your oil.
All right, yeah, I'm about to bring it in for an oil change right now. Damn, they didn't.
You got the factory.
Did they top off my fluid?
Oh,
Dude, they didn't top off my fluids, bro. I know they didn't do that. Oh, first, I'm throwing this away.
Hey,
this is so useless.
That's very important.
This is so useless. I hate it.
Just take it out, dude.
I hate it.
Just take it
second
out.
mod, second BRZ mod.
There you go. Boom,
Weight reduction. Weight reduction.
Oh, look at that brake fluid. Oh.
First that, and then the rear seats. So we've got the side markers here. There are 1, 2, 3 clips you gotta take off just to get these out. We'll go ahead and get those out. What are you doing, Adam? What are you doing? Okay, so I've gotten these clips out. Yeah, just 3 little push pins. You know, there is a nut in there too. Let's see if I can. I don't know if y'all can see that. So there's a little nut right there. It's probably a 10, so I'll go ahead and.
Looks beautiful. I think
Jeez, look at
the JDM
new.
side marker,
Oh,
first BRZ mod.
damn,
Nice.
Brian, come look at how good this looks,
That's sick.
dude. Say what's up to the channel,
Oh,
Brian.
dude. Hey, what's up, boyos?
Brian shaved his beard, guys.
I did.
And got a haircut.
And I got a haircut.
Make sure you input.
I haven't seen this.
The
I haven't
picture that
seen
me and Brian
Dude.
sent to you from Snapchat.
Yeah.
Oh, did you
gotta
guys
put that in
save
the
it?
video. I actually did save it.
Rough it.
I'll send that to you.
Dude, this complements
Yeah.
this really well.
Bro,
I like that.
one down, one to
I
go.
One down.
Have the JDM side markers on the car. Wow. God, she looks nice. I actually fit really nice in this car. For being 6 foot tall, I actually fit pretty good. You know, it's really nice. Steering wheel is really nice. Back seats, pretty much non-existent, but we knew that with the first gen. Cup holders, pretty ideal spot. I don't know if that'll bother me. I don't know. This is my first manual car, so we'll see how it is. See how quick I get used to it. So man, this is, you know, I'm really gonna have to get used to getting out of this car compared to my lifted Jeep, but man, this thing is so nice. All right, everybody, I'm still here at the shop. Brian out here has been helping me because it is a new car, it is a new clutch, so I do got to get used to it. Making progress, pretty good. I went to a stop sign, not gonna lie, I stalled like 4 times. But hey, it happens. All right, cars, amazing though, beautiful, right, Brian?
Dude, we gotta go over the quirks and features real quick.
The quirks and features? Nah,
This
man.
is a 2022 Subaru BRZ.
Oh man, no, this thing is so much fun to drive. Handles insane. It's amazing. All right, I am back home. Drive back home was awesome. Honestly, probably the most fun car I've ever driven. And I've driven a 2008 Volkswagen Rabbit and a 2007 Jeep Wrangler. Definitely gonna have to get used to going from jumping into a lifted Jeep Wrangler to a very low BRZ that I'm planning to lower even more. So yeah, no stalls coming back home. We like that. We like that. We love that a lot here. Car's just so nice. Super nice. Sound system was really good, if I'm being honest. Better than I expected. Really good. Really, really good. I have so much planned for this car. So much. I got the JDM side markers alone changes the car instantly. Pictures look nicer. Like, wow. Like, look at this picture. You know, but I don't know how to edit that in, but I'm gonna edit it in somehow. I don't know. Got lots to do with that car. I'm talking coilovers, exhaust, wheels, some goodies, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. And I know in the beginning of the video I said I was gonna touch on this a little bit. Reason why I haven't posted any videos is because I made that channel and those 2 videos because I was expecting the car to come in a couple weeks. They had told me late February, early March. So when I got hit with that, hey, it's gonna be delayed to the end of March or early April, kind of had nothing to do videos about. So it kind of just didn't happen. You know, I've been working, saving money, and today I'm the owner of a 2022 Subaru BRZ. I'm just blessed. I didn't think I could ever get one, and I got one, you know? Didn't think I would save a lot of money. I saved a lot of money, you know? I've really matured in that sense, you know, money, because I used to spend money like crazy. But to save up a lot of money to be able to get this car, I'm proud of myself. I feel like I deserve this car, you know? And you guys deserve this car, all 35 of you guys and ladies, you know, and everybody, you know what I'm saying? Everybody. So yeah, so there was a long period, wow. It was a long period of just waiting because I was expecting it early March, you know. I even had a dream about it that said March 10th. So I was thinking March 10th. But no, got delayed like a month. And so videos just didn't happen, you know? So I felt like I should have done an update video, but I was kind of just busy, I guess you can say, just working, saving money, watching anime, playing Elden Ring. If you haven't played Elden Ring, play that game. That game is amazing. It's awesome. Just as awesome as my car. And kind of hard, not gonna lie, but I've gotten used to it. But yeah, so there was no videos mainly because the car got pushed back even more. Should have given an update video. But no, now the car's here. JDM side markers are installed, you know. Lots in store, a lot of stuff. We're gonna end up taking it on a road trip. I'm gonna document that. Going to one of my family members' lake house, you know, so the trip up there, it's gonna be nice. Gonna go pick up my brother, all of that stuff. So it's gonna be a nice road trip. And so I'm hoping to vlog that at least. So I'm back.